Hi, this is Art Hadaway, Waterworld editor. I'm here at the show floor of ACE 2014 with Jerry Harrington. He's the sales and marketing director of Spire metering technology. Hi, Jerry. How are you today?
I'm doing very well, Art.
Good. We appreciate your time and speaking with us today. I understand that you guys have your ultrasonic water meter line here at the show. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Absolutely. First of all, we're delighted to be here. It's the first time Spire Metering has been to this show, and we'd like to talk about two products today. We have the ultrasonic water meter 280WCI and also the 280WD. The CI is used for commercial and industrial use, so it would be used in municipal water supplies, facilities, campuses, hospitals. It's a quad path, which means there's 8 transducers. Typically when you are installing an ultrasonic type of water meter, it's very important that you don't have it too close to elbows, because it would create turbulence in the water, which is not good for ultrasonic. But with quad path, that removes that issue. It's has a 10-year battery, and can be used in a number of different commercial applications. It ranges from 2-inch to 12-inch pipe, and we have some. This is really replacement for mechanical water meters. So there's no moving parts. With mechanical water meters, you have parts that wear out through use, as well as particles getting on top of the moving parts that actually the accuracy declines. So with this type of product, there is no degradation over time. Over 10 years, you're perfectly fine. Where with a mechanical water meter, you have to have that replaced a number of times.
And Jerry, now that you mentioned the ultrasonic water meter for commercial and industrial applications, I understand that you also have a domestic ultrasonic flow meter. Let's go into that.
This particular one is used for residential purposes. Could be used in apartment buildings for sub-metering. And there's been studies shown that if each individual tenant has to pay their own water, that there's typically a 15 to 20% decline in water use. So it really helps in that area. This is good for both hot water as well as cold water. Both this product as well as the CI product also have the ability to do AMR, automatic meter reading. So we have units in place to be able to send signals out wirelessly to be able to capture that data, and so people can use that to understand their particular flow.
Jerry, what kind of crucial flow challenges do utilities often encounter, and how do your ultrasonic water meters help them overcome and improve upon them?
Sure. Some of the challenges that mechanical water meters have is that they cannot detect low flow. So it requires, with a low flow, it does not have enough inertial movement to actually be able to move the moving parts in mechanical water meter, so they can't register low flow. So if you have a lot of different places where there might be some leakage, with a mechanical water meter, you would not be able to detect that. With this, both these products, they have a very wide dynamic range that goes from very high flow rates down to being able to measure just drops of water. So with this, it allows you to be able to do district metering. So you have these units spread throughout the district, and it would send signals to the central office talking about the actual flow rates in general. A lot of times it's the evening rates are the most important. So we also have the ability to send an alarm if there's a leak. So an alarm can get sent right to the central office saying, hey, we have a leak here. Someone needs to go out and do some type of repair on that.
Perfect. Okay. Jerry, what kind of plans or prospects does Spire have for the future? What can customers expect from you guys?
When we first started the organization, we basically had what we call point products, just a particular flow meter. And as we've evolved our business, we've talked to customers, and they're looking for ways to be able to have a total system. So we've taken from just a water meter to having a solution where we can send signals out for automatic meter reading. We have the software ability to be able to actually do billing And so we've evolved to just point products to providing total solution. And so over the next number of years, we're going to continue to talk to our customers to find out what they need to help them to be able to manage their water supply in a much more efficient manner than they are currently doing today. In addition, Spire Metering has some products outside of the water industry, and again, measuring energy, measuring gas, and a number of other things. So we're trying to help the natural resources that the planet has.
And Jerry, where can your customers go to learn more?
They should go to our website, which is www.spiremt.com. We've got a lot of valuable information on there on all our data sheets, brochures, and application uses.
Well, Jerry, we really thank you for your time and look forward to what you guys have coming up next.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.